If you are experiencing carrier mode crash on PC while playing FC26, then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Now let's get started with how to fix the issue. Method 1. Verify the integrity of the game files. Missing or corrupted game files can also cause issues like this, so verify the game files. Here is how you can verify the integrity of the game files from Steam platform. Head to the Steam library, right-click on the game and open its properties. Go to the Install Files tab and click on the Verify Integrity of the Game Files option. Wait till Steam verifies the game files and downloads the missing file or fix the corrupted game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Method 2. Install anti-cheat. Make sure you install EA anti-cheat from EA website only. Here is the link. We have also provided it in the description below. Open this link in your web browser and download the EA anti-cheat installer. Once the download is complete, you can run this exe file. Click on Yes to allow, then click on this down arrow and select FC26. Next, click on Update so that you can make sure everything is up to date. Now run the game and check. Method 3. Rename the FC26 folder. Open File Explorer, open this PC, then go to your drive C. Open the users folder, then open your user profile. Open app data. If you cannot find it, go to the View tab and then select Show Then and then check the hidden folder option. Now you should be able to see the app data folder. Open it. Head to the local folder. Open the EA Sports FC26 folder. Now you can rename this folder. Like here we are renaming this folder. You can also delete the folder, but if you do so, it will delete all the game saves. So you can take a backup, then perform the steps. Method 4. Run FC26 with administrative privileges. Here is how you can do so. Right-click on the application you are using to launch the game. Next, select Show More options. Open Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab, check the box for Run this program as an administrator. Click on Apply and then on OK to save the changes. Method 5. Try a different compatibility mode. Another thing you can do is change the compatibility mode. To do that, open the Game Properties. Then go to the Compatibility tab and then check the box for Run this program in compatibility mode for the option. Select a Windows version and click on Apply and then on OK. Method 6. Update graphics drivers and run the game on the dedicated graphics card. Make sure to update the graphics drivers before you start gaming. This should help you avoid issues while gaming and boost your gaming experience. Here is how you can update your graphics drivers. Open Device Manager using Windows Search. Go to the Display Adapter section and expand it. Right-click on your graphics driver and choose Update Driver option. From the next window, select the Search Automatically for Drivers option. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest driver. You can also visit the official website of your graphics card manufacturer to update your graphics drivers. These websites are linked in the description below. Now download the latest drivers for the graphics card installed on your computer from these websites. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the driver installation process. Once done, restart your PC. When the device restarts, open the app again to check for updates. Download and install the available updates. If you have multiple GPUs for your computer, then make sure you use the one exclusively for gaming. This ensures a better gaming experience. So using the dedicated GPU for gaming can avoid issues while playing games like FC26. However, this depends upon your operating system and the graphics card you are using. Open Device Manager using Windows Search. Go to the Display Adapter section and expand it. Here, you will find the two adapters, one for your dedicated graphics card and the integrated graphics card. The dedicated graphics card should have a longer and more specific name than the integrated one. The dedicated graphics card may also have a higher memory size listed. So run the game with the dedicated graphics card. Method 7. Launch the game via installation folder. You can also try launching the game from its installation folder directly and not from Steam and see if this can fix the issue. Open Steam and then head to Library. Right-click on the game, go to Properties, select Installed Files and click on Browse. This should take you to the game installation folder. Try launching the game from here. If the error persists, move on to the next solution. Method 8. Add the game for high performance and try a lower resolution. Press the Windows plus I keys to open Settings, click on System and then select Display. Scroll down and click on Graphics. Click on the Browse option and head to the game installation folder. Select Game EXE and add it. You will now see it here. Click on Options and select High Performance. Select Save to save the changes. You can also try a lower resolution from Settings. To do that, go to Windows Settings, click on the System tab and select Display. Then head to Display Resolution. You can try a lower resolution than the recommended one for your PC and check if the game loads now. Method 9. Disable full screen optimization. The next thing you can do is disable full screen optimization. Double-click on this PC and navigate to the game installation folder. Open the game folder, right-click on the game exe and open its properties. Go to the compatibility tab and disable full screen optimization. Click on apply and then on OK to save the changes. Method 10. Set the power settings to high performance. Open control panel using Windows search. Set the view by section to large or small icons. Select power options. Click on high performance under hide additional plans. If you cannot find it here, click on show additional plans. Once done, restart your PC and then launch FC26. Method 11. Disconnect external devices. Next, disconnect any external devices like HOTAS, pedals, racing wheel, Razer Tartarus. Make sure to disconnect all the additional USB adapter connected to PC and disconnect any additional joystick or controllers. Once done, restart the PC and then launch the game and check. Method 12. Disable overlay features. Open Steam library, find the game and right-click on it. Go to its properties. Now go to the General tab. Uncheck the Enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. You should also disable other overlay apps like Discord, GeForce Experience, Nvidia Shadowplay overlay or AMD overlay before playing the game. Method 13. Allow the game through the firewall. Another potential cause of this issue could be firewall interference. So you can check that by allowing the game through firewall and your antivirus program. Here we are showing how to allow the game through Windows Security. Open the Windows Security app using the search menu. Now click on the Firewall and Network Protection option. After that, tap on the Allow an app through firewall option from the right side pane and then press the Change Settings button. Next, click on the Allow another app button and then press the Browse button to select the game exe file. Click on Open and then click on the Add button. You will now see the game under the list of allowed apps and features. Tick the checkbox associated with the game and enable it on both public and private networks. Once done, you can press the OK button to save the changes. Finally, you can relaunch the game file and check if it is loading properly. Method 14. Increase VRAM. The more VRAM your system's graphics card has, the more data it can store. So this will enable it to handle higher resolution textures and run your games smoothly without crashing. Here is how you can increase the VRAM. Go to Windows Search and type Advanced System Settings. Select the top search result. Click on Settings below Performance. Next, head to the Advanced tab. Under Performance, select Settings. Go to the Advanced tab again. Under Virtual Memory, click on Change. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size Device for all drives. Choose the drive where you want to store the paging file. Select Custom Size. In the Initial Size field, enter a value equal to 1.5 times the total available RAM on your system. In the Maximum Size field, enter a value that is 3 times your total RAM. Now here is how to check your system's available RAM. Go to Windows Settings and select System. Next, select About, check RAM. After you have set the values as per your system, click on Set. Click on OK and then again on OK. Once done, restart your PC and then launch FC26. Method 15. Flush DNS and reset WinSock. Type CMD in the search menu and right-click on Command Prompt. Select to run as administrator. Copy and paste the following commands in the elevated command prompt window: ipconfig/flush DNS, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, netsh int ip reset, netsh winsock reset. Once done, restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Method 16. Install the Visual C++ redistributables. Next, you can install the Visual C++ redistributables. What you need to do is search Visual C++ redistributables in Google. Click on the first link of Microsoft.com. We also have provided this link in the description so you don't have to search. Download the Visual current C++ redistributables available. Remember to download the correct architecture, like downloading x64 for 64-bit systems and x86 for 32-bit systems. Install the downloaded file as shown. Now restart your PC. After the PC restarts, run the game and the issue should be fixed. Method 17. Install DirectX. Another thing you can do is install DirectX. Type in DirectX on Google and click on the top option for Microsoft. You can also click on the link given in the description. Download the DirectX setup file and after the download is complete, run the exe file. Click on Yes to continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the downloading process or follow as shown. Make sure to uncheck Bing bar box. Let the installation process complete. After it is complete, restart your PC and then try to launch the game. Method 18. Avoid overclocking and update BIOS. Overclocking the system can boost performance, but sometimes it can crash the system, especially while playing games like FC26. So, you can disable overclocking while playing this game. To do that, boot into your BIOS or UEFI settings. The process of booting into BIOS differs from system to system. You can check the manufacturer's website for the exact process to boot into your BIOS. Here are the basic steps to enter into BIOS or the UEFI settings. Open your Windows settings, select Recovery from the right pane. Then click on the Restart Now button next to Advanced Startup. Once your PC restarts, select Troubleshoot, then go to Advanced Options. Then you should find the UEFI firmware settings. Once you boot into your BIOS or UEFI settings, navigate to the overclocking section and then disable it. You should close all the overclocking apps if you are using one like MSI Afterburner or similar applications. If you are using an outdated version of the BIOS, then this can also be why you are having issues while playing FC26. Each motherboard is different. So go through the manual of your motherboard to know how to update your BIOS. Follow the instructions to complete updating BIOS. After updating BIOS, you should not get this error. And there you have it, the methods to fix carrier mode crash on PC while playing FC26. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem.